Hello, folks. Do you know anyone who doesn't really like kissing?
Get off of me!
Not many people. And who don't might have some wrong wiring in their heads. When someone leans in to plant a kiss and all you can do is blush is a blissful moment. So what's all this hype around kissing? We have all heard about expressing our love through tongue wrestling, and we know that needs two mouths to express that kind of love. This video is definitely not about those lame things you are already aware of. All the facts that you were afraid to ask are all here. So go ahead and get ready to be an encyclopedia on the first base. We at How To are always trying to help everyone on the planet learn how to do anything. Before you will find answers to your how to, press the subscribe button and keep us motivated. Number 1. It all started within the womb. The fact that 2/3 of people tilt their heads towards the right is known to every person existing on this earth. And if you are not aware of this, then you might have landed on this planet yesterday. Coming back to the track, let's talk about the reason. Don't bother to add another tab. Let us give you the insight. The head is tilted to the right when you are in your mother's womb, and kissing makes you relate to the comfort you had in there. Hence, turning your head to the right seems like an appropriate thing. Number 2. Transfer of testosterone. Here we are talking about open mouth kissing. We all know how men can't resist the 7 minutes in heaven, and they lean in closer with an open mouth towards you. According to a study conducted at the University of Albany, when men come on to you that way, there is a possibility of sharing their testosterone via mouth, which can increase their partner's libido. Shocked? We aren't saying women have less urge, but it helps them turn on a bit quicker, which eventually helps men to take things to bed faster. Number 3. Immunity skyrockets. We know kissing can be a disgusting act if you get into technicality. Also, as a matter of fact, you exchange 80 million microbes whenever you kiss someone new. Gross, right? This study, published in the Microbiome Journal, suggests that it is way more than 77,000 microbes that we find in a public washroom. That's some next-level shite. Even after all these stats and numbers, the fact that kissing helps in increasing immunity can't be digested easily. But that's the truth. Your body immunity increases when you canoodle, and that is the reason you live longer if you kiss frequently. This doesn't mean that those couples who make out for hours in parks are going to be immortal. Number 4. Logic behind kissing in weddings. If you thought that the Western culture of kissing during wedding ceremony is just another act of PDA, then you are 100% completely wrong. The reason behind the act is that kissing is another form of contract. For the same reason, they go ahead with necking in public, so that there is no denying from the fact after a few hours of honeymoon. According to Kissing Christians by Michael Philip Penn, this contract is holy and is compulsion for couples to sign with lips. Number 5. Middle East factor. If you don't know, then let us tell you that some cultures in the Middle East and Asia still look down on kissing in public. But even though they don't promote the concept of kissing, the sign of XOXO has originated in the Middle East. We all copy-paste XOXO in every card and letter as a sign of hugs and kisses. However, when we go down the history lane, you will realize that the peasants used to mark X as a stand-in signature, and then kiss the document as an added gesture of sincerity. Weird. How boring can stories of all the romantic things be? Share your experiences with us and become part of How To in making the planet more knowledgeable. Thanks for watching.